Hey guys, it's Anna, and this video is going to show you how to add an alternative host to an existing Zoom meeting. This would be helpful if you're going to have a sub or you want to have another teacher be able to start your meeting for you. So I'm in my portal. I'm going to click on the Zoom button and then click Sign In. It should open up to my list of meetings. If it does not, you can click Meetings on the left. Put your mouse over the meeting that you would like to add an alternative host to and click the Edit button. Alternative host is all the way at the bottom of the settings, so scroll all the way down where it says alternative hosts. You're going to put in an email address. And click Save. This meeting will not show up in that person's meetings list, but they should get an email saying that they have been added as an alternative host. They can also open your link if you've already shared a link with students. When they open that link, if they're signed in to their account correctly with that email address, they'll be able to start the meeting once they sign in with your link to your meeting. So that's how you add an alternative host. One thing to note, if you try to add an alternative host, for instance, a substitute teacher, and they have never logged into Zoom with their GCPS account, you will not be able to add them as alternative host. It will say that that user was not found. So make sure they have at least once gone into the portal, clicked the Zoom button, and then clicked sign in to access their account. Thanks, guys.